global leadership in science and innovation for Viksit Bharat. Viksit means developed India. And the definition of science is S stands for systematic, C stands for comprehensive, I stands for investigations, E stands for encompassing, which means involved, N stands for natural, C stands for curiosity, and E stands for exploration. Let's start the program with the blessings of Almighty of our National Science Day. I would like to call upon Mr. Catherine to start the program.
Introduction of Indian scientists by Dr. Philip.
He was the first director of Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research at Pune and Tripuri. His work was related to nucleic acid, collagen, peptides, DNA nanotechnology, peptide, nucleic acid, DNA. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. I am Dr. K. Sivan. Dr. K. Sivan was born to a poor farmer studying cryptographical, but man record by sending 104 satellites for India. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Sopan Kumar Datta. Sopan Kumar Datta is a professor of science biotechnology who focuses on genetic engineering of Indica. Datta has demonstrated the development genetically engineered Indica from protoplasmic derived from popularized ecological substance culture. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Sami Narayanan. Sami Narayanan was born on 12th December 1941. He is an Indian aerospace scientist who works for the Indian Space Research Organization. Narayanan started his career at 1966 at ISRO as a technical assistant at the Kanga Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, Bangalore. Good morning to all. My name is Ashok and I worked at the Harishchandra Research Institute from 1995 to 2021. My area of research is tree theory. My specific research interests include S-theory, black hole, aerobic science. Good morning to all. I am Nagarjuna. Nagarjuna is a Asian Indian scientist and she includes Nagarjuna. Recently, scientists from Asian Indian who lived during the 18th century was 1550 born in South India. He was to build science, Sahara, Nagar and chemistry at the regular level. These leaders and wisdom have resulted in a belong all the world medicine, science and research. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am a doctor who Administration Good morning to all. My name is Samskari. I am going to share about scientist Thomas Alva. She is an associate professor of Department of Translation, Molecular Pathology of the University of the Tax MD Address Cancer Center. Thank you. Interesting morning to all. My name is Sanchana. I am going to Good morning to all. My name is David. I am share about Pandarolia and Agrarolia Indian molecular parasitology who works in infectious disease. He is a former vice chancellor of the Presidency University. She was chairperson of the Department of Biochemistry, both instrument, Kolkata. He born in 1956, 11th June. Thank you. My name is David. I am very fortunate to be here. I am to share about reference was an Indian astronomical help release the theory of thermodynamics. Good morning to all. I am going to share about 1970 of the Ancient Man of India. He was born on October 15, 1931. He was with the ISRO in India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully launched Rohini satellite. He is honored by Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Vibhushan. Thank you. Fantastic morning to all. My name is Alandiva. I am going to share about my name. Vikas Bhavan. Dr. Vikas Bhavan is a Air Force Central ENT specialist and surgeon in Ahmedabad, India. He was working around the clients and leading extremely talented and engineering Vikas. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Anjali. Today I share about scientist Konrad Velasamy. Konrad Velasamy is an ADA scientist and technical advisor to His Excellency 11th President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Rohit. Today I am going to share about scientist Sri Ramachandran. Sri Ramachandran born 30 June 1932. Is an Indian chemist who has total 90 solid states and secular chemistry. He has already doctorates from 86 universities from around the world and has around 80,000 research publications and 58 books. Thank you. Fantastic morning to all. My name is Singesh. I am going to share about Satyanath Bose. Satyanath Bose was born on January 1st, 1892 in Kolkata. He is brilliant in physics and mathematics. He is famous in physics. Thank you. Good morning to all. I'm going to share about scientist Dr. Chandra. Dr. Chandra was born in 2nd August 1861. He was known as Father of Indian chemistry. Thank you. Fantastic morning to all. I am going to share about Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose. He was the famous scientist of India. He was born on 13th November 1858 in the wealthy Bose family of Bengal. Thank you.
Most of you have wondered, why do we celebrate National Science Day? You see, in 1921, C.V. Raman, an Indian physicist, was traveling on a ship from London to India. When he noticed that the ocean was extremely blue, he refused to believe that the ocean was blue because it reflected the sky. So after 7 years of detailed study, he published a theory called the Raman scattering in 1928. The Raman scattering is quite simple and I will explain it to you. You see, the sun emits polychromatic light, which means it consists of multiple colors. We can observe this when white light is passed through a prism. It divides into 7 colors. These travel from higher frequency to lower frequency. You see, why does an apple appear to be red on a bright sunny day? The apple absorbs all the remaining color and reflects the red color. Like this, each object reflects one color. That is why the ocean is also blue. I hope you all understood the Raman's effect. I hope you all have a curious and happy Science Day. Thank you.
Thank you for the long Comrade Salman to give our very thanks.
Scientific morning. Louder.
So why are we here today? To commemorate the National Science Day. And as Ms. Angela had earlier said, the theme of 2025 National Science Day is empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Vikasit Bharat. So, just now, Johnny gave a speech on National Science Day at Raman subject, a very brief speech indeed. So you listen, children. Today, February 28th is not the birth anniversary or the death anniversary of C.V. Raman. Is it clear? Both of those dates are in the month of November. But this is a general day celebrated by the Indian government to celebrate science. So C.V. Raman was born in British India. Listen very carefully. Was he born in Free India or in British India? British India. So whenever we think of Britishers, we think about them as oppressors who tortured our country. That is partially right. But on the other hand, intellect was always respected. Intellect was always respected. C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize in the British India. So they honored scientists. Is it clear? So why do we celebrate National Science Day? The other day we discussed about brain drain. What do we say brain drain? The smartest of our country, the smartest of India. Normally they go to European countries or America to settle down. That is called as a brain drain. So our current government wants our citizens, our students, the future citizens of India to stay in India to help develop our nation. That is the meaning of Vikasit Bharat. Our government wants you to be the global leaders in science. And the purpose to commemorate National Science Day is to instill the curiosity in children. What do we mean by curiosity? Curiosity comes with 2 questions. Why and how? Why and how? Normally, schools and teachers teach only what. What is there? Even AI can teach it. Gemini can also say what. But the importance is for why and how. You know Albert Einstein. So you know Isaac Newton, right? Isaac Newton sat under an apple tree, and when an apple fell on his head, he thought, why did the apple fall on my head? Why didn't it go up? So all the scientific innovations started with the 2 questions. Why and how? C.V. Raman, when he was sailing from London to India, back after his studies, he observed that do we learn science? To score full marks. Not just that, to advance in science and technology. Today's science. Science is in books. Understand very well. Science is in books. What is the science? And how and why is the technology? So that is why the thought of the day of today is, today's science is tomorrow's technology. Today's science is tomorrow's technology. And today's students are tomorrow's scientists. So you should be always pointing out good questions. What are they? Why and how? And our teachers, we have a very good faculty here from science. Teachers should be able to give clear answer to the questions of the students. If you are unable to do that, what will they do? They will ask any search engines. There are so many search engines there, and we will lose our respect. So we should learn to advance according to the advancement of science and technology. Wishing you all a happy Science Day. Thank you, God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your informative message. From 16 David.
We are the students of class 16 David. We are going to introduce the importance of science. Hi everyone. How are you? You know today is Science Day. Yeah, because somebody said. You know science is systematic and logical study in how the universe works. Yeah, science is an ever-changing subject. Yeah, science allows us to develop new technologies, solve practical problems, and make economic systems. Planetary values of widely considered as the father of modern science. Science is also defined as systematic observation experiments. Science plays a role in many aspects of our life, like cooking, eating, driving, and playing. Science has more formulas and different experiments like nuclear, etc. Science is a joy of many generations. Science has different experiments and activities which helps to get more information from science. And measurement of the nature and physical universe as a formulation of laws to represent their facts into general terms, like baking soda and vinegar, a chemical reaction, occurs making other reactions. Yeah, the ship from using a bullock cart for transportation to modern vehicles like cars and buses are entirely due to the progress of science. Life is full of science, including human beings, plants and animals. In India, there are more scientists like APJ Abdul Kalam, Subramanian Chandrasekhar, Vishwanathan Mohan, up to etc. Nowadays, brothers and sisters are going to perform an activity on the topic of importance of science.
Scientific morning to everybody, and we are from class 8 right? Scientific morning to everyone, and this is Diana from the same class. Yeah, do you know what is the special occasion today? No, but I think so about science because it was a National Science Day. Yeah, you are correct. We are going to discuss about science and lifestyle. Yes, it's very interesting topic. You can ask me any question. Okay, I will ask the question first. What is science? Science is a systematic process in which various theories, formulas, laws, and laws are analyzed and evaluated in order to determine the truth about the facts of anything. This scientific process studies and generates new knowledge in any kind of activity that occurs in the nature around us or in the universe of which we are a tiny part. I will ask you a question. Why science is here? Science is a methodical process of extracting true facts from given You are correct, Priya. Atta, I will ask you a question. What is science society? Science and technology plays an important role in today's challenging world. Everything from the road to building, the start to the education institutions to the research of science. Almost everything in the society is subject of modern science and technology. Even the toothpaste we use to clean our teeth in the morning after waking up and going to bed are the products of science and technology. Yeah, nowadays it's the result of modern science. We hope you all got it. Thank you.
Scientific morning to all. We are the students of class 8 Auntie, always say some science fun. What is the special class today? Yes, Tina. Today we both are going to discuss about science and contribution of economy. Oh, it is an interesting topic. Yes, science contributes to the economy in many ways. Do you know? Yes, it includes through innovation, productivity and economical development. Yes, I have studied this topic in my past class. Through scientific, methodical experiments and research, researchers have found many problems in transportation networks. Innovation divided into 3 types: new products, infrastructure and green innovation. I know the next topic. What is it? It is productivity. You are right, Meghna. Productivity is 2 types. First one is scientific research and second one is the green revolution. Economical development divided into 4 types: training, technology, social problems and regulations. And at last, other contribution. Science contribution to national security, environmental protection and public health. Thank you. Scientific morning to all.
We are the students of class 8.
Now we are going to talk about science in weather journal.
Ashika, do you know the difference between climate and weather?
Yes, climate is monthly once and weather is day-to-day condition. Harshini, do you know more about weather?
Yeah, weather is more than just sunshine or rain. It is a dynamic system shaped by physics, chemistry and environmental science.
How do ancient people predict the weather?
Ancient people predict the weather by nature's science.
What about today?
Today, technology like satellites and supercomputers allow meteorologists to make an accurate forecast. Ashika, what is the difference? What is weather journal?
A weather journal is a tool that helps to record views to weather observation to understand weather pattern.
What are included?
It includes temperature, weather, wind, humidity and air pressure.
What are the impacts of weather?
Weather impacts in life of weather in science. And we can prepare our future for our change. Thank you. Scientific morning to all. We are the students of class 8 Today we are going to discuss about science and environmental monitoring. Jeffina, what do you mean by environmental monitoring? Environmental monitoring describes the process and the activities. All monitoring strategies and programs have reasons and justifications, which are often designed to establish the current status of an environment. Environmental monitoring network is a project for monitoring of various environmental parameters like air, water, noise, etc. Kavya, explain environmental monitoring. Environmental monitoring leverages scientific principles across various disciplines like chemistry, biology, and physics to systematically collect and analyze data on the state of the environment, including air, water, and soil quality, allowing for the identification of threats, potential threats, and the effectiveness of mitigation strategies. Kavya, do you know where it is used? It is used in the preparation of environmental impact assessment and in many circumstances in which human activities may cause harmful effects on the natural environment. Thank you.
Scientific morning to all. I am Vipra from class 8.
Scientific morning to all. I am Alice and this is the
Now my friend Alice is going to give an introduction about chemistry and science.
Yes, science students say the country research on the problems that we utilize to operate the technology to even organize science different system. Elements like sophisticated sensor, high-level network, cutting-edge equipment. Dreaming, what is dreaming?
Military science is the study of military organization, education, training, history, geography, and strategy. Thank you.
Science Day activities show scientific concepts from 6th sense to boys and girls.
Scientific morning to everyone. We are the students of class 6 in David.
In this special day, we are going to do a live demo about the internet.
When the beam of light passes through the colloidal solution, it gets scattered. It is known as the Zindal effect. But how it works?
Now I am adding water.
Now I'm going to add the colloidal solution. Now I'm done adding the water.
It gets scattered. Light can pass a colloidal solution because the particles scatter. The internet can be used to determine this colloidal solution.
Tell me an example.
For example, we can see internet where light enters the room through no wires. How light scatters in the
When light scattered in particular matter is dispersed in an otherwise light transmitting medium.
is internet scattering of light? Internet scattering of light by particles in a colloidal solution. Difference between internet and scatter. Tell me anything. Scattering, the change in the direction of motion of particles because the collision with another particle. Example.
A blue color of sky light by dust particles in the air.
Because the light scattered by a particle in that color and on a very fine suspension.
A beam of light shining through milk where the milk dust particles scatter the light.
What are the types of scattering?
Elastic and inelastic are the types of scattering. Does milk show Zindal effect?
Milk and fat solution are collapsed. That they show Zindal effect.
What is spectrometer?
The cloudiness is measured by spectrometer. What is Zindal effect in spectrometer?
I did not effect in spectrometer to detect the size and the density of particles.
The salt is Zindal effect.
Let's see.
Now I am adding water.
Now I'm adding
Now I am turning on the flash.
it is not scattering.
Does sugar show Zindal effect?
Now I'm pouring the water. Now I am adding the sugar.
Now I am mixing it well.
On the top, it is not scattering. I hope you all understand this topic about Zindal effect.
Thank you.
Today we are going to explain about dispersion of Take some prism and place it in front of the toaster. If we turn on the toaster, the light gets passed through it and it gets dispersed. This will cause a consequence of light, which are red, green, blue, orange, yellow, indigo, and violet.
Thank you.
Happy Scientific Day. So really awesome thing to watch and see each one of the students' speech and performance. First of all, I want to thank Almighty for this awesome stuff that is going on here. Thank Principal Madam for arranging and coordinating. And I want to thank all the teachers, those who have taken effort to put the kids on the front line here. Especially I want to thank during the Science Day our dear sir, Sukumar sir, as well as Sangeeta Miss, for their contribution and effort that they have taken. Without their energy poured into this, this would have not been the case. So truly appreciate all the things that you have done. Truly it is a great achievement. So as I was just watching here, all of the students who have talked about other scientists of our nation. Those scientists were like you at one time. They were born in a small home. Probably during that time they didn't have electricity, because we are seeing even some of the scientists are in the early 20s and 60s, 30s and 40s and all. You know, India was so backward back then. But even then, there was some motivation within themselves to be sensitive about what is around them, and what they are observing, and so forth. And eventually we can see, out of all the odd possibilities, they are able to climb up and get to a place of becoming a great scientist of our nation. So today is my brief advice for you. Just as you have mentioned about the date of birth and achievement of these different scientists, man and woman, one day your date of birth and your name need to be mentioned by many thousands of schools around our nation and other places, if you can able to dream big and dream high. Alright? Because the potential is within you. The capacity, it is within you. And I used to tell an example that Madam has written in the past. You know, you all seen an egg, you know? Egg. Have you seen an egg? What is the color of the egg? What is the color? White color is there, then there is other color also there, you know, different birds there, different colors of egg also. But especially the chicken egg, alright? There's two different types there. One type, if you want to eat an omelette, you can't just swallow the egg, isn't it? You have to do what? You have to take the egg and break the egg by a spoon, or break it on the counter or something, or on a vessel. Then you take the yellow and the white yogurt out of that, and you pour it into a vessel. When you spin it, then you pour it as an omelette. Okay? So the pressure has to go from outside. Then the shell will break. That's to make an omelette, that's the method. But at the same time, there is a method that when the hen is hatching the little eggs for so many days, eventually we can see that the egg is having some crack. Then eventually we can see the outer shell is getting broken, little piece here and there. Then eventually you can see maybe about quarter of the size of the egg is broken, and there's a little chick is coming out of the small egg. That's how all the chicken comes out, But that pressure in that egg, it didn't come from outside. It came from within. You understand? So if you want to achieve great in your life, to become a scientist, to become a great person in the years to come. That has to come from within you. It is your dream, it is your passion, it is your craziness to achieve such a great thing has to come within you. We can only give instruction, that's it, but it has to come out of you. And as we know, before science came into this world, the world was in a very mess situation. Even before the medicine was invented or technology was put into place, literally crores of people have died. Lack of technology or science in this world. But today, because the science and out of the science, the technology has been implemented in all aspects, in the space or in the ground level or whatever way, crores of people still alive because of just that. So science plays a major role in humanity, humans' lives, to preserve them, to keep them going, to live a very happy life. So I wanted to just give you my side of a great input for you that in each and every day, dream big, dream high. One day your birthdays and your name can be remembered by so many different millions of students yet to be born in this world. So keep it up and God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. From girls from 7th and 8th.
Some of the letters, different changes in the range.
This phenomenon is now called Raman effect and Raman science. Thank you.
About science by Jennifer, conducted by Jennifer.
The rules have, the first rule is, then I give lower level, first priority I give to lower level and the slow learners also. Okay, yeah. The second rule, those students know the answer, please raise your hand and I mention the name, the student's name and tell the answer. If you suddenly tell the answer, I will never give the mark. I reduce on the particular classes 1 mark. Okay? So, let us, are you ready? Okay.
Scientific morning to everyone. Me, Akshitya, Anastasia and Divyanshi are going to ask you riddles. The student who will answer the riddle maximum will be awarded at the end. So let's begin with first question. At morning, I walk with 4 legs. At afternoon, I walk with 2 legs. At evening, I walk with 3 legs. At night, I won't walk with any legs. Guess who am I? Did any guesses from here? Yeah, your answer is absolutely correct. The second question. What does the scientist say after inventing helium? Did anybody knows the answer from here? What does the scientist say after inventing helium? Did any guesses from here? So the answer is he. The third question is going to ask by Anastasia. Third question is, when the tank of the water returns to the balance, it dies. What is it? Did anybody knows the answer? When the sun of the water returns to the balance, it dies. What is it? What is it? Fire. Yeah, absolutely correct answer. Wrong answer. The correct answer is ice. Okay, the fourth question. I can be hot, I can be cold, I can run, I can be still, I can be hard, I can be soft. What am I? This question is very tricky. Cotton. Wrong answer.
Water.
Yes, absolutely correct. Yeah. Wrong answer.
Mirror. What? Mirror.
Wrong answer. So the correct answer is echo. Okay, the next question. What is the center of gravity? What is the center of gravity? B. Correct answer. So the next question. I am a ball that can be rolled but never bounced or thrown. Guess who am I? Miss. Who? No, wrong answer. Black hole. Wrong answer. Repeat it. Wrong answer. Boys. No. Elephant? No. So the correct answer is eyeball. Okay. If you give me food, I live. If you give me water, I die. What am I? Any guesses? Fire? Absolutely correct answer. So the next question. I am sometimes full, but I never overflow. What am I? Did anybody know the answer? I am sometimes full, but I never overflow. Who am I? Yeah, correct answer. Okay, next question. It comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years. M. Absolutely correct answer. What can go up and come down without moving? Did anybody know? What can go up and come down without moving? Yes.
H.
No.
What?
No. Your answer may be yes, correct. What 10 things you can count on? What 10 things you can count on? Any guesses? What 10 things you can count on? Numbers? No. Fingers? Absolutely correct answer. So the next question, solid upon heating melts from liquid of semi-solid and upon cooling becomes solid from mud. There is only liquid upon heating becomes solid. Name it. Solid upon heating melts from solid of semi-solids and upon cooling becomes solid from mud. There is only liquid upon heating becomes solid. Name it. Ice. No. Is it better? Yes, your answer is correct. Which tree can you hold with your hand? Palm tree. Absolutely correct answer. It keeps you on the ground and stops things floating around. What is it? It keeps you on the ground and stops things floating around. What it is? Gravity. Yes, correct. I can be blue, black, or gray. If you reverse me, you can treat me the same way. I can be blue, black, or gray. If you reverse me, you can treat me the same way. Any guesses? Ocean. Wrong answer. Sky. Wrong answer. Cloud. Wrong answer. Soul. Wrong answer. Next. Wrong answer. Right. Please repeat. Right. Correct answer. I am hard to create, but I can't be destroyed. I can only change form. What am I? I am hard to create, but I can't be destroyed. I can only change form. What am I? What am wrong? I am hard to create, but I can't be destroyed. I can only change form. What am I? Blood. No. Carbon dioxide. You are getting close by the exam.
water vapor,
No. Nitrogen. CO2. CO2. No. Energy. Okay. One can eat a lot of iron without getting sick. One can eat a lot of iron without getting sick. Come on. Vegetables? No. One can eat a lot of iron without getting sick. Fruits? No. Iron tablet? Repeat it. Iron tablet? No. Milk? No. One can eat a lot of iron without getting sick.
It is a process, not a thing. It is a process.
Repeat. This? No. It is a process, not a word. Melting. Repeat. Melting. No. Closer. That's it. Correct answer. I am under your face and outside your mind. What am I? I am under your face and outside your mind. What am I? Miss? No. No. I am under your face and outside your mind. What am I? Cat? No. Face. What? Face. No. Soul? No. Shadow? No.
imagination,
What? No. Breathe? No. Skin? No. So, correct